Hey everybody, welcome back. I thought I'd check in and show you a couple of things I'm going to be working on around the apartment in the next few days to a week. You had gotten a peek at the couch refurbishing cushion cover situation, which I'm so glad many of you agreed that the Dusty Rose was a great color choice. I think so as well. I just needed like that extra confirmation from somebody to tell me that like it's okay to have a pink couch. So I'm going to be working on that. I still haven't figured out how to like pre-shrink 7 meters of fabric yet. Maybe I have to do it in the bathtub, who knows. But I do want to show you a few of the other smaller things I'm going to be working on in the next couple of days. I know that currently, because of what I'm doing right now, moving house and all that and setting things up, that a lot of my videos are going to be about things around the apartment and, you know, apartment related and more vlogs and things like that. But you gotta understand that I really have to set myself up and set my space up so that I can actually make other types of videos. I do have them planned, but right now this is like occupying all of my time. And I think, you know, hopefully that you'll understand. Okay. Get into the bits I want to show you. I wanted some really neat tea towels. I wasn't into the ones that had like little sayings or print on them. They're super cute from HomeSense, but I think that they're kind of expensive, and after a while, you know, the sayings and the quotes kind of wear off and lose its like kitschy, you know, cuteness. And at the end of the day, you want something, I think, that is both practical but also stylish, but that you can look at it every single day and still feel like it's a nice piece, right? So I went to the fabric store and I bought some of this dish towel fabric. They actually sell these. I saw them randomly on another occasion, and then when I moved house, I knew I had to get these. These are a cotton linen blend and they're beautiful. It's this very classic gingham check pattern, and if you can see here, the outside or the border is a slightly different width of gingham than the center, or would you call this a buffalo check? I'm not sure. Someone let me know. Either way, I bought about 1 meter of this, and this is a cotton linen blend, so it feels really good on the hand, quite thick, and just, you know, I bought some tea towels from IKEA and they were fine. They were a great price. I have them up in the kitchen right now, but these are going to be kind of a little bit more luxurious. They were, I think, about, I'm going to say $5 or $6 a meter, but I can get maybe four smaller towels out of this. I can put one in the washroom as well as a hand towel, so this is quite lovely. I am going to flip you around and show you a table that I got, which really completes my furniture pieces. I'm not getting any more furniture. This is kind of the last thing that I really wanted, so I can have both a workspace, like an ironing board space, folding laundry space. It's a wonderful table. I bought it off of Craigslist. I was looking at it brand new from IKEA. It's like $200 brand new, and then Craigslist showed up and someone was selling it for a really great price, I think $115, and I snagged one. Needs a little bit of wiping down, a little bit of sanding and maybe refurbishing, but it's solid wood. It's gorgeous. I'm going to show you that right now. So this is my very lovely new table. It's an IKEA table. I believe it's called the Norden, and it's awesome. It's a folding table. What you see right now is the folded position, which is where I plan to keep it against the hallway of the apartment most of the time. But I'm going to show you how to fold it out, and it's like massive. Now here is the table folded up. I'm hand holding the camera so I can show you a little closer. This is one half of the table folded up. There's another of what this is on the other side. There are drawers on the side that go real deep so they can fit my serger thread as well. if you come around on this side, there's another 3 drawers identical on the other side. So this will be a beautiful table for folding your laundry, for ironing. I plan on doing a just a light sanding. Like there are some, you know, little bits of glue and stuff, and just from being used and well loved. So that will clean up really nicely. And then this will be a great table for crafting, for working on, for having guests over. I'm super pleased about this one. Yeah, I haven't really unpacked the shoes and sorted them out. I think I'm gonna donate some of the shoes I don't wear quite as often, or that no longer fit my style, or just aren't that practical for me. But I do want to show you this little shoe hanger, I believe it's called. It hangs right on the wire up top, and it holds about 8 pairs of shoes. Now I do have small feet, and with heels you do have to kind of maneuver them a little bit, but for the most part I plan on putting my most worn shoes in there, which will clear up some of this top space, and I can put other storage items in there. That's the fabric. I still have to wash for the sofa, and just some bits and bobs I need to clean up, but the closet is coming along great as well. Last thing I want to fill you guys in on is that I'm thinking of making my own ironing board. I know this sounds a little cray-cray, but the ironing boards that I've used in the past that fold up and fold down, they're kind of creaky. You know, the stand isn't always so strong. After a while, if you press too hard, it starts dipping in the middle, and they take up so much room, which I don't have in my apartment to store it. I figured it probably is as easy as a hard piece of board, maybe some padding and a nice piece of fabric cover over it. And then I Googled and YouTubed it, and loads of people have made their own ironing boards super easy, and I think I can do it and just have it hang beside the washer and dryer. That would be perfect. You know, I need an ironing board for pressing some of my handmade garments and for sewing, and also just for ironing some actual clothes. I may still get one of those handheld steamers. If you have one and you can recommend one for me, I love that. Leave it in the comments down below, and just let me know, because I'm thinking for day-to-day the handheld steamer would be just fine, but for sewing I do need an ironing board, and I can iron directly with the board on top of that, a folding table that I just showed you. So that's going to be what's occupying my time for the next couple of days, and I hope that you have been enjoying these couple of home vlogs. Let me know if there's anything in particular you want to see, parts of the house, and I'd be happy to share that with you. So until next time, hit me up over on Instagram, leave me a comment down below, and I'll catch you later in the next video. Take care. Bye.